So we are at Animal Kingdom today. We're going with the GoPro because because we're going to Cali River Rapids and we're not buying a walker. First fast pass of the day is... What did you think about that?
I like the ride.
You like the ride? Yeah? You were very brave, weren't you? Oh yes. I see them. We should maybe come back in here later. Get some treasure. Right. We'll go and get to our next ride. Let's go to the next ride first. We'll get Kylie to do. Oh my.
Oh, this is really good. This is actual gold.
It's actually good, is it?
No, this is real gold.
Oh, real gold? Okay. Right, let's go because we've lost Daddy. Where are we on? Triceratops spin. Hey guys.
Already?
Happy Trappies. Can you reach that? Yeah, sure, I'll do that bit. I'll do that bit. Wow, who's squishing me? I'm alright, baby. Squish this Donald! Should I take it off? Leave it. So I can actually see your face. Whoa! Go back down. Oh. Woo! Woohoo! Right. Oh. Next fast pass is Cali River Rapids. So let's go get
We're going on this Cali River.
I'm sure we will. You ready?
May you have a memorable and exciting journey. Un homicidio. Para sa seguridad, permanezcan sentados con el cinturón bien.
I went on this. I don't think there's any avoiding this one.
Like 2 or 3 drops.
Let's be more drops. I remember getting tired on that. That wasn't too bad. No, but wait, up the top.
We have Jazz Pass forever.
So we've just come off. Where did we just come off? Expedition Everest. And somebody who's in a bit of a huff now was a super brave boy. Even said that he's going to go back on it again, so we'll see if he does. I'm going to hold him to that. Yeah? We've done Canada Rapids as well, haven't we? You've been playing a wee bit in this wee fountain. He's now super wet. Yeah, just a little bit. Well, where's the big brave boy? Matthew? No.
Daddy.
You enjoyed Expedition Everest, didn't you? And you said you're going to go on it again, aren't you? Wait, oh, crap.
Daddy.
Which you might well have to because for whatever reason, I don't know why, but their picture's not coming up on the photo pass. So we might have to go on again and get another picture, but not today, I don't think. We're going to sit down just now. We're at Harambe Market. We're going to sit down
Daddy.
and grab some food and some drinks. And I don't know what we're going to do after that. We might head back, we might not, we might go to the show. Don't know, just depends. It's very, very hot here. So we will see you in a bit. Here we go, lunchtime. So this is a beef and lamb kebabby thing. So that was like $11 odd. Both boys have got corn dogs. How's your corn dog? Okay. What? It tastes weird. It's a corn dog. Matthew's got his corn dog and his Coke, and we got apple slices. We got a big Fanta and I want to say snow leopard, but it's not. It's a leopard's eye, so it's Bibo and vodka slush. So we'll enjoy that. Oh my god, it's so nice. Anyway, this was like $60. Mega big box for, you know, not an awful lot. But hey ho, that's Disney for you. So I'm not entirely sure what we managed to film in Animal Kingdom because it was on the GoPro, and the GoPro kind of, I don't know, it comes and goes with how it works sometimes. At one point it was telling me it had 8%, and then the next time it was telling me it had 63%. So who knows, I've filmed stuff anyway, so I'll download it tonight on the computer and see what I've managed to get. We came back about 2 o'clock. We got back about 2:30. After doing Everest twice. Poor Logan for Matthew. I think Matthew absolutely hates Everest. Hates it with a passion. I love it. We managed to get 2 fast passes for it today, so off we went and we did that. We came back. I've gone and had a bath. I had chilled out a wee bit in the pool with the boys, and then went upstairs and had a bath because we're going to Red Lobster tonight. We've never been to Red Lobster before. Who knows? I've never had lobster before. I had lobster bisque in Disney at Narcoossee's, and if anyone's ever had that, you know there's like tiny wee blobs of lobster on the top of it. So that's about as far as my lobster experience has gone. So I'm looking forward to going there. Stomach's a little bit jippy. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's the water or the heat. I really don't know, but my stomach's been a wee bit sore today, and Craig's has been a wee bit sore the last couple of days. But we're going to go out and we're going to enjoy it, and it's the first time we've kind of gone out properly for dinner since getting here. So we're going to go out and we're going to enjoy it. But we'll take you with us. So we're in Red Lobster and we've just ordered, so we've got our wine. And apparently the main courses come with salads as well, so we've all got salads. And yeah, we're just about to tuck in. Looks nice. So our bread has just come. This smells...
I still haven't had my...
Honestly, this smells amazing. Oh, it's hot! So nice. So nice. Right, I'm going to have this. But so far we've had salads, now we've got bread. I don't know how we're going to eat all this food. Wow.
Just eat the bit that you put on.
Oh wow.
Is it butter?
Oh man.
It feels like a croissant. It's got cheese. It's like when you...
Like okay, mushroom.
That's like cheesy.
It's like a cheesy croissant.
I don't know, it's just so nice. So, oh yeah. Okay, here we go. This is my first ever attempt at a lobster. I've never had it before, so it looks amazing. So I've got lobster, sweet corn and a side of fries. Matthew has got snow crab legs, side of fries and sweet corn as well, and obviously butter. We've both got butter to dip it in. Logan has got a kids meal. I cannot believe that's a kids meal. That's massive. Grilled chicken and chips, and he's vlogging it. And Craig has got steak and oh, what was on your baked potato with sour cream and cheese and butter, I think, and tomato and mozzarella caprese salad. So I am looking forward to this. Yum. Here we go. I've actually done the rest of the lobster, which was a bit of a... It was a bit fiddly, but oh my god, it is so nice. So I'm just trying to kind of finish off the rest of it without getting lobster on Craig and Logan. You've just got crab in me.
When?
Just there. So I managed to get this out full the last time. Let's see if I can this time. Oh my
You got
god.
lobster in my hair.
No, but I'm doing okay. We're alright. And oh my goodness, I've never tasted lobster before, but this is so nice. Okay, so that is us out of Red Lobster.
Yeah.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
It was really good.
It was.
It was really nice. Would I go back again?
Yeah. Yeah, I would.
You would. It was expensive for what it was, but well, do you know what? It probably wasn't actually that expensive. It's maybe about $120 odd for the meal, so it's probably not that bad when you think about it for what we got. So yeah, no, I really liked it. I would be happy to go back again if it was like a special occasion like it was tonight. Just we had never done it before, so we thought we'd give this a bash and see how it is.
One problem.
What's your problem?
So you're cracking open the
Yeah, when you're cracking open like your crab's legs or your lobster stuff, it just goes pinging flying all over the place. I mean, really, it's just as in shells and everything like that going, and well, it's yeah, it's fun, it's messy and it's fun. But anyway, it is a bye from us tonight. We are done for today. So what do we say? What does Logie Bear say?
I don't know.
He says, like, subscribe, and see you later. Bye.